Hello po, ask ko lang po, ididik ko po July 4, 2024. Ang nahulugan ko po sa SSS ay January to November 2023. Qualified po ba ako makakuha ng maternity benefits? Hi Beb! For today's video, sasagutin natin yung question ni Beb Judilyn. Beb, kung ang EDD mo ay July 2024 at para malaman kung ikaw ay qualified sa maternity benefits, exclude natin ang semester of contingency mo na mula April 2024 to September 2024. Now, ang magiging qualifying months mo ay mula April 2023 to March 2024. Diyan po magsiselect ng at least 3 to 6 highest monthly salary credits or MSC at syempre dapat may hulog ka sa nasabing qualifying period para makompute ang maternity benefits mo. Nabanggit mo na may hulog ka from January to November 2023, pasok po ang contribution mo from April 2023 to November 2023. At mas maganda na mag-continue ka pa sa payment from January to March 2024. Kung kaya mo ng 2,800 per month, mas okay po para nasa maximum ng MSC ang makocompute. Again, dito sa qualifying period mo, magseselect ng at least 3 to 6 highest monthly salary credits para makompute ang maternity benefits mo. Sana'y nasagot ko ang iyong katanungan. Thank you and God bless. Follow for more.